Man, I'll just put it on a. Do you visualize my screen and my voice is clear?
Yes, is this clear?
Perfect. Let's start. Yeah. Since morning, since this is going on, I'll start with the
Yes.
philosophy. Carl Jung said, and I paraphrase: a mood goes through a community like a virus. Our current challenge is that the actual virus is combined with a collective emotional reaction, both occurring at the same time. Conscious regulation of our response in order to decrease or not at least increase the growing wave of anxiety shared by collective. Jung thought that those individuals with a stable mind serve as a breakwater against the tides of fear and anxiety. So naturally, the philosophy, and then next we go to Sir Alexander Fleming, the man who gave us antibiotic. We all know him as a hardcore scientist, but he was also, in fact, more than a scientist, he was an artist in a Chelsea art club where he would spend 8 to 9 hours painting and painting with a live bacteria. Only man in the history who did painting with a live bacteria. Imagine if you love bacteria so much, this is one of his painting. Then the bacteria speak to you. When you have the art and science within you, when they both come together, this is where the answer comes. And he was searching for a painting, one color, and that's where the bacteria started dying and he discovered the penicillin. Similarly, the virus, as it is said by a very famous author on virus, that in our most intimate moment, as a new life emerges from the old, viruses are essential for our survival. There is no us and they, just a gradual blending and shifting mix of DNA. And he says that the 1% of bacteria, 1% of virus, 1% of any poison affect human being. 99% of viruses are our friendly. And that's where the balance is to come between the science and art. If I need an answer to this scientific problem, the whole and the art has to come together. So in order to understand that, let's understand the central pathology of the COVID. First, it enters through our body through a mechanism called ACE2, angiotensin converting enzyme, on the pneumocyte of the alveoli or the intestinal epithelial cell. So this mechanism. Second involved is the renin angiotensin, the RAS system. Second, the immune response. Increase in neutrophils, and I've quoted everyone from where I have taken in blue. Increase the higher serum pro-inflammatory response, a cytokine storm. But the adaptive immune response, there is a detectable hormonal response, but the presence of proactive antibiotic response has not yet been established in animal model or human. Yeah, so that is the first line of defense is very active in this, whether it is macrophages, whether it is natural killing cell and all. Next, the post-mortem report, which showed that it is not the lung disease but the blood disorder where people died of pulmonary thrombosis, and a pathology which is very similar to carbon monoxide poisoning, and that causes the inflammations of alveolar macrophages, that causes the whole lung appearance which we see. So when I see the pathology, naturally when I'm looking that in a remedy has to have a pathology, a remedy has to have the whole. What is going on, the pandemic growth, the pandemic panic, the pandemic fear psychosis with the lockdown space. When I looked at part general and the whole, and a medicine which selected based on that it works well. So the three remedies which I wanted to suggest here is in a preventive group, cinnamon. In a, or the second is Echinacea angustifolia or Echinacea purpura. Or the third remedy, Euphorbia pullulifera, which is also called Euphorbia hirta. And also through listening and through giving them a simillimum field. What I mean by that, I'll talk. Cinnamon, why I'm suggesting this, we all take cinnamon. The study of the Stanford University shows that the half of the Spanish flu people who got affected received cinnamon. Indian studies showed that the chemical inside can turn in a cinnamon can turn HIV infected people into HIV controller. Japanese study showed that the chemical isolated from cinnamon can inhibit the proliferation of baculovirus. Third, the US study shows that another chemical is a virucidal for herpes simplex virus 1 and 2. So this is virus related. But when you see other researches, that it also not only antiviral property, it regulate the blood pressure, and it is potential angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor. So both coming together, plus it is for the initial stage of the flu in homeopathic medicine. Now this can be a very good remedy. Second is Echinacea purpura. In herbal medicine as well as in homeopathy, this has been used since for infection, for influenza, and for many other septic condition. But you see the new research, what it shows, that the chemical alchemide, it activates the neutrophils, macrophages, polymorphonuclear leukocytes, and natural killer cell, our first line defense. Now, this is what is affected or get activated in a COVID infection. Second, it maintains the cell membrane by increasing the hyaluronic acid of the cell, thus preventing entry of the viruses and the bacteria. And third, most important thing, that it also act on cannabinoid receptors, which controls the anxiety and also involved in the immune system activities. So if you see, this is the chart where alchemide not only control the cell membrane, control the natural, the affect the natural killer cell and the first line defense, also the anxiety control, inflammation it reduce and kills the infection. So this can be from every angle a very good suggestion. And that's what we did for around 4,000 patients. We gave this medicine, especially people 50 plus. Third remedy is Euphorbia hirta. Now, this is a very good Ayurvedic medicine, and also this is there in homeopathy, and this can be a solution, especially in India or the our belt. Why? A, it is weed which is pandemic. It grows in one place, cannot be controlled, like virus. B, the research. It is also called, the common name is asthma plant or a sneezing weed. Yeah, it inhibits the activity of angiotensin converting enzyme by 90% with this dose. It is also anti-dengue activities and also affects the HIV viruses, herpes viruses. Many of them belong to the same group. Yeah. So this, and also in Australia, this is, it is a medicine for hay fever. It is also bronchitis in a very old people. So when you look from every angle, and this belongs to a group which is Euphorbiaceae, which is called gum family, where the restriction is the central theme, where you are locked down in a small space and you can't come out, like when you have a gum over you. And the need is to free, which is also a general theme around. And many my patient in US or in Italy or in India, they receive this medicine when the state is there. Like one of the example I give you with the, hmm? I will not go into this right now. So, I'll go a little later there. Fourth remedy I want to suggest is Centaurea. It belongs to a family called Gentineaceae, a group where cinchona belongs, the quinine. It is the whole group is more bitter than quinine. The whole group is used as a tonic in modern medicine for a people who have a disease where they have not recovered, chronic diseases, chronic debility, chronic ache, convalescence, long serious debilitating diseases. And especially the centauri, which is a backflower remedy, which is known for soul which are easily depleted and devitalized much below normal level of strength, stamina, or vitality. From serving others, taking care of people, those who are with a chronic disease or chronic debility. So this can be people for recovery, and especially the first line people who are taking care, and like nurses and caretakers and all, and doctors. Yeah. In homeopathy, what we do is we listen to this present pandemic, present situation. We listen to the pathology, we listen to the change at the mental, emotional, physical level, and match this change with the exact remedy which is there. So the stronger one takes care of the weaker. Let me give you an example of a one COVID case from USA. The patient with, I'm not going into the medical history and all, which you're hearing since morning. All the features were there. Yeah, where with fever and the dry cough. And the feeling was that due to quarantine, now I am locked in a flat. So I feel completely restricted. I said, describe this feeling of restricted, getting restricted slowly and slowly. First, you were restricted only in New York, then in the Manhattan street, then you were restricted in your building, and now you are locked down in only your flat because the many people have this. And I said, what picture comes in your mind? She drew this picture where you have this, and you are locked inside, and between the head and the leg she made a gum, that you are not only in a limited space, but even head and the leg is restricted. Now this is a typical picture. She described also, it's stuck like a glue. So the COVID is there, the symptoms are there, the whole state is there, the pathology as well as whole state matching with euphorbia hirta. That remedy was given. Yeah. And within 4 days the report was normal. I'm not going into that right now. Another case, a unique case, where this patient came with a chill, sore throat, dry cough, again positive patient. Yeah. Feeling of hurt, as a neighbor didn't took care and she got it, and because of the neighbor I got it. Dreams of being hurt in the hospital due to chaos there, and the picture came that there is a huge chaos, and there is a stamping and people are getting injured. There is a dream of getting infection and not able to fight the because her immunity is weak, and she's a known case of anxiety and panic attack. And she's saying, at least give me something for that, so that in this lockdown 14 days quarantine I should not get frightened. Now you see, there is an infection fear, there is a COVID infection fear and feeling of being hurt. And echinacea, which I was talking to you about, belong to a group which is where the Arnica montana belong, a injury group where most of the remedies are for the hurt and the injury. So here, like somebody was talking, eupatorium, this belongs to the same group, where and echinacea belong to a group which is for the hay fever and influenza. So the hay fever, influenza was there, s- diagnosis is there, the hurt is there, inflammation is there, even the anxiety, which I was talking about, the echinacea. So I gave that, but I did another thing with this patient, that I told her to call up my another patient who is also positive from America and also received echinacea. But she, along with this, she also had severe weakness and more intense state like than this. When they both talked to each other, the stronger one, she who already improved, kept first listened and then kept telling what she went through. The moment they both share each other's story, which was very similar, both felt much better. This is the principle of homeopathy. Not only you give medicine, but you match this and they feel better. So these three, and there are 4 5 more remedies. I use this a lot, especially echinacea, eupatorium, and for preventive, the cinnamon. Yeah. So I would like you all to read these 3 4 books. A Planet of Viruses by Carl Zimmer, which is amazing that how viruses, we say bad, bad, and we are now running behind them. 99% of them are good for our body. Then The Hot Zone by Richard Predson, amazing book. It's about the other virus uh, uh, epidemic, but Ebola virus, but beautifully researched. You will understand the virus nature beautifully. Then a book which I love the most, An Elegant Defense by Matt Ritchell. Amazing that how immunity works with the simple examples in our body and what is happening. And other 2 book is that how to increase our immunity. I'm sure it will help you a lot. And I end with this, that Stephen Spielberg Bridge of Spies movie repeat the variation of voice exchange between the character, and all the time this, aren't you worried? And the other said, would that help? For what use is our fear right now? Now it's the time to understand more so that we may fear less. And this dialogue goes in the movie. So, this is the time where conferences like this, rather than agreeing or disagreeing, let's understand the integrative, holistic, multidimensional approach and find out that one which fits our patient very well. This way, it works well. I divided my team. We have 20 people. I said, let's divide those who are our patient, those who are not our patient. Those who are our patient, those who did very well for last 10 15 years, and even in the COVID situation they are doing well. Now I'm talking to them and tell them to talk to other patients. Like, I give you an example. One lady, she's an artist, better for 17 years on one medicine, mentally, emotionally, physically, all better. Her kidney pathology better, even in the COVID stage better. So I told, she's an artist, so I said, talk to your children, students daily, make them make an artwork and see what comes up due to this COVID state with 2 3 questions that tell them what are they going through and their solution. And beautifully, 300 children made artwork. And what she did, I told her to let this artwork remain in their room. The more they watch that, more they have answer to that, many of them felt better. A, they brought it out the whole state. So B, when it is out, the immune system is more proper. And C, the homeopathic principle, when they watch that, what is that disturbed energy, they feel better. Yeah. So let's keep understanding this. Thank you so much, Arman. Yeah, if any question, anything is there, feel free to write to me or Arman, and we'll be in touch. Thank you, Arman.
Thank you, Dinesh, for your very nice presentation.
Thank
If there
you,
is any
Arman.
question, please hand raise. Dr. Lone, please ask your question.
Thank you, sir, for your nice and valuable presentation.
My pleasure.
Sir, I have a question, sir, regarding the treatment plan. Sir,
Go
what
ahead.
was the duration of treatment? It was specific or it was random?
Say again.
So what was the duration of treatment you were treating in your clinics or in this hospital?
It's
Was
yeah,
any
it is my
specific
me
SOP
and my
or
it's very specific because in US in many parts there are hundreds of cases in many communities, so my colleagues are handling it. I'm helping them to
Okay,
help.
sir.
So it is a duration, of course, when I'm talking, this is since the beginning of February they are handling till now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So and there are cases like 500 plus. So I'm not here because we don't have time. Echinacea cases preventive wise 10,000 plus. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure. Anyone else?
Thank you.
Thank you, Arman. If anything else, I'm most.
Thank you for your very nice presentation. Appreciate.
My pleasure, Arman. Thank you,
Thank
Arman.
you.
Thank you for all what you do. Thank you.
Thanks.